Hi, this is Jet's GPS, a client tutorial on our GPS fleet tracker system, showing you some new features or some new features on the home screen. You have got the options button here, the three dots up at the top, and that then opens up a menu. And what you can do is you can change the look of the system to one that you prefer and are more comfortable with and has the things that you want from it. So for example, on layout, we can click on grid. That then expands it. It brings in the address. It brings in the date. You can click on highlight. So if you wanted to know something that hadn't updated for 24 hours, you go down to 24 hours. Needless to say, I haven't got anything, so let's change that to 12 hours. And you see there, the ones that are over 12 hours are now highlighted in red. And you can also do the date formatting. You can either have it condensed, so it tells you how long ago it was since they updated, or full. And that gives you the time and the date of their last update. And once you've changed those settings, you'd log out, log in again, those changes will be saved, they'll be cached on your browser. So that's the new options for you on the home screen.